In the rather monotonous campus life, the pet-loving students meticulously planned the campus pet day. During the preparation stage, they actively reached out to alumni who owned pets and also put up posters in various locations. On that particular day, which was sunny and accompanied by a gentle breeze, the students brought their beloved pets to the designated area. Instantly, it transformed into a wonderful pet world. Dogs were seen running freely, cats were lounging comfortably, hamsters were scurrying on their tracks, and rabbits were busily eating leaves. During the breaks, the students gathered around, gently petted the pets and fed them. Joyful laughter continuously echoed throughout the area. Teachers stopped, smiled, and joined. The campus became a loving pet paradise. Who cannot be tempted by such a lovely campus activity? If I were among them, I would definitely plunge into this cute pet carnival without hesitation. Having close interactions with the lovely little animals can not only bring a moment of relaxation and healing in the busy study life, but also let me feel the warm friendship among students that is gathered together by the love for pets. In this process, I can learn to care for animals and understand to respect every life, adding an unforgettable and wonderful memory to campus life. With the company of cute pets, youth time becomes more colorful, full of warmth and joy.